In this video, I'm going to show you how to use RPCS3 Emulator on PC or laptop. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in RPCS3, and then the first website will pop up from RPCS3, the PlayStation 3 emulator, and what you want to do is click on it, and then you can read all about it. So you can read what it is, how you can play the featured games, and you can join the Discord, join the project, and start contributing code, or join as a Patreon on Patreon. But if you only want to download, you simply go up here to where it says download, and then make sure it says latest builds over here, and you have all the operating systems. You can download this too. So you have Windows, Linux, Mac OS, FreeBSD, and all the previous builds. You can also install it on a legacy OS. And down here are the instructions that will guide you through how to install to each and every operating system. But in my case, and for many of you as well, most likely, we are going to install and download this to Windows. Now you select Windows and click over here to where it turns green. And once it starts downloading, I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel this download. You're going to see it inside your downloads folder. So then you just simply left click on this and then right click, extract all. Since it's a zip file, you want to extract it, and then it's already going to be extracted inside your downloads folder. But if you want it to be extracted anywhere else, you can select the folder or destination by browsing. Now I'm not going to do this for this time. Press on extract. There we go. This is going to start extracting, and there we go. As you can see, there's now a new folder inside your downloads folder, which is called which isn't zipped anymore. And then you simply go in here, and then there's a bunch of files in here, as you can see. And then what you want to do is simply double click on rpcs3.x, and it's going to open up for you, and you can start using your emulator on your PC. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and that's it.